Northark Technical Center is an opportunity for our area high school sophomores, juniors, and seniors to be able to come to North Arkansas College and get started in a career, in a high-demand, high-wage, high-skilled career.
It's a really great experience because what happens is you're in high school, and then the other half, I really don't know what to do. So I'm actually going into the medical school right now with the EMT program. So it's actually a really nice place to learn and not get bored in high school.
We teach skills that are transferable into any industry that they want to go into, those soft, essential employability skills that they need to be successful. We offer programs in automotive service, collision repair, welding, HVAC, heating, air conditioning, ventilation and refrigeration, construction, manufacturing, and automation and systems integration technology.
And we teach everything from foundations to furniture. We actually have 16 area schools that can send students here from the high schools. Currently, we have approximately 10 of those schools that are sending students to us every afternoon. They learn coming in for their first semester, they will start out with foundations. They'll work on wall systems, they'll work on floor systems, building roofing systems, trusses, rafters, learning how to read a tape measure. Believe it or not, you wouldn't know how important that really is today for these students to be able to take a tape and read it and to lay out and measure things properly and cut them.
We do TIG welding, MIG welding, stick welding, and flux core welding here. We do oxyacetylene cutting as well as plasma cutting. And so we try to get our students ready for a job or to continue their education either way. But by the program in which they get to come here during their junior year is, like I said, an awesome opportunity. It allows them to start their classwork and then continue through their senior year and then finish up when they come back after their senior year and receive their diploma or their certifications, and then hopefully get employed out there in a job.
The big thing is just being around people that have experience in the real world. And lots of professors here and teachers have had jobs and they have experience in what they're teaching, so it's a lot more beneficial to learn from them.
They really want to help. They're not really here just to get a paycheck, because they can get a better one probably going out and doing like in the workforce. So they're here to help. And I really like that because it's one-on-one time, hands-on experience.
They learn their technical skills as far as hands-on. They were going to spend most of their hours literally in the labs working on the projects.
It's a really good experience. You get to learn anything. Even if you fail the class, you'll still learn something. So it's actually really nice.
There are so many students that are struggling to just go to college when this is like the next best thing, like I said. And you may not get like your whole college degree, but you get this whole entire experience that you might not get if you don't take it.
Since it's free and it's actual college hours that you're getting and real experience, I'd recommend anyone, even if you're not interested in these kinds of fields, just coming here and having some type of skill and some experience really helps.
They can take this training that they learn, and directly from high school they can make two choices. One, go right into the job industry. Take off from making good money, anywhere from $12 an hour and up. And with right now minimum wage, $8.50, $12 an hour is not a bad start for that, especially if someone graduating right out of high school. Or they can come back to us as a first-time incoming college freshman and use those hours that they have gotten as a high school student and apply them toward an associate degree or work in another program, put those two together. Let's say that they want to be in construction management. Well, they can take business management classes along with construction classes they're doing and have a general technology degree that will get them the opportunity to make even more money. So again, great opportunities.
We want all students, regardless if you're wanting to be in automotive service or collision repair, or if you're wanting to be a physician or an accountant. We feel like we give skills through the Technical Center that can transfer into any career, making those students more successful in the careers that they choose. This also gives those students something to always fall back on. I believe the more skills that you acquire, the less likelihood you will ever be out of a job. That allows people financial stability. If somebody loses their job, what do they do next? If they have one of these skills, they always have a career that they can fall back on and will pay them quite nicely, and they will be able to support their family in the future.